Hello everyone, and welcome to the second Yourhythmics.com video, Yourhythmics, and welcome to the Rhythom, R-H-Y-T-H-O-M. I've been trying to come up with an understanding, a whole understanding of what I'm trying to do here, and so I came up with that word, kind of rhythm and putting rhythm and ohm, so kind of like totality. Yeah, cool. So anyway, in today's video, I'm gonna do threes, twos, and fours, sharing the same grid matrix, those common pulses, and it will be in a larger context of four. Now, what I mean by that is, well, I'll just show you. Here, look, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So that's three. These are threes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, into a measure of four. All right, larger measure of four. So that's all I mean by larger four. But there are three threes, and this is important. I can start with a 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or the 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So there are three threes. Now the twos. All right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and there are two twos because I can start on the second one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now for this Yourhythmics video, for today's rhythm, and actually let me define rhythm for you. All right, rhythm, the whole world of rhythm. The theoretical, okay, somatic. So in a sense, you have the mind and the body, and then spatial. That's the application of it. The fact that you're doing it in space, but it could be inner space too. So it could be external, internal, and something that's kind of right on the cusp, right in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. All right, so on and so forth. You have external, internal, and central space. Central space, I love that. Okay, now we're going to go back to this. I'm demonstrating the twos, all right? Now I'm going to combine these twos. I'm going to be doing all the threes and all the fours, but I'm going to combine the twos. So I'm going to take two twos which are on and three which are off. But. All right, and I'm taking that very last note off. I'm not going za da ba because it skips back to the beginning. Why would I do that? Only because I might want to do this whole thing at a faster tempo. So I tell my students, you have a caravan of cars, right? But don't bring a Mack truck along. All right, just don't bring it along, and everything moves because nothing can go faster than the Mack truck. So take the weight away. Okay, so. What do we have so far? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, Okay, my left hand, I'll do the fours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, but I can start on the second one. 1, 2, or the third or the fourth. Okay, so we have three threes. 2 twos, these twos will be combined, and 4 fours. I'm going to actually use this ball, all right? I'm going to strike it. And this gives me another factor for the spatial aspect of it. It's a changing spatial aspect of it that I have to kind of deal with. I'm going to sing the pulse. We're going to do the threes, the twos, and the fours. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. through that. Okay, now let's continue. Oh, by the way, I did do 2 of each of these, right? You did notice that, right? Now, the 2 of 3, and everything else is the same. But I'm going to sing the pulse, so you'll see where it is. Okay, so far so good. 3 of 3, but I'll do it on my left side this time. By the way, the idea is not just this conducting format that you're seeing. It's a lot of things, and that I'll be kind of introducing. A lot of fun things. We could have windshield wipers. How would that go? 1, Okay, so a lot of people listen. A lot of people see this kind of thing with windshield wipers. That one's going faster than the other. That's how I explain polyrhythms, and eventually they come back together again. You know, who knows? Maybe Steve Reich started that way. Okay, here we go. That almost got away from me because things were moving in different places. All right, now I'm going to take one of those, and I'm going to sing all the parts. It's going to be the 2 of 3 and the 3 of 4. And I know that it was a teacher I had. I've had many teachers. A drum set teacher named Gary Chester. He had me doing things on both sides and singing all the parts, and that was an incredible thing. It was kind of like this part to whole, and then because you've got part to whole or whole to part, you know, we've all kind of studied in this manner. This is really looking at the parts. All right, here we go. 2 of 3, 3 of 4. And I'm going to change sides too. So I'm going to do the whole thing. I'll sing the pulse first, which isn't any of them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will make more videos. I think we need to talk more about the rhythm next time, the concept of rhythm. Once again, an integration, theoretical, somatic, spatial, external space, internal space, and maybe central space. Thanks.